Hi, I'm Gino Fernandez and today I am going to show you the Stanley tool sharpening kit. So it's an oil stone. You've got the oil obviously and your stone, which has two sides. One is a bit rough and the other one is for smooth finishes. It's also got the honing guide, which I'm going to show you in a bit, but let's just see how sharp we can get these tools. So I've got these Narex chisels that I've had for a while now, and they've taken quite a lot of abuse and they do hold up very well. These Narex are quality chisels. So let's see what they're like now, and then we'll see what they like after the sharpening. These Jorgensen clamps are also pretty sweet. Now let's take the big one. See, it gives a bit of a struggle because they're not as sharp. Because when you're using a chisel, you've got to continually sharpen it throughout the day. If you're going to be using it for a long time, you've got to sharpen it in between. Just give it a few runs through the stone and you're going to have a good day at work. And what's cool about this is that it has measurements on 35, 30 and 25 degrees. So I'm going to go with 35. So what you do is you put your chisel in, measure it there to the 35, hold it in and then you screw it into place. So obviously you're going to start with the rough side first and then move over to the smooth. So what you do is just give it a couple of passes through, put a little bit of pressure, not too much. Maybe a little bit more oil, because this thing is brand new, so it's soaking up everything very fast. Yeah. Switch it around and then repeat. It's got little wheels at the back, so it just slides. Just check. That's a pretty sharp edge. A bit more oil, and then you do the underside to straighten it up. Again, just a couple of passes through. You can see here, like there, and the edge is starting to become straight. It's pretty sharp. So let's check the sharpness. That's pretty sharp and it's a lot smoother than when you saw in the beginning. There you have it. The Stanley tool sharpening kit, highly recommended, and it will keep your tools sharp, and you can get this at Toolcraft, 93 Victoria Road, Plumstead, Cape Town. If you're not from around the area, you can go to the website at www.toolcraft.co.za. Cheers!